Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. I do not trust these charts. Hold up. We got 5 minutes. Let me share the stream link real quick. Let's share this in the Discord. Let's see. Where we at? Let's see. There we go. Yeah, got that all shared in there. Share this on Patreon as well. Let's go on. Dang, it's Friday. I expect a great deal of manipulation today. How do let me take that? Yup. Yeah. All right, we got it all shared up. All right, what's good? The Victory Match. Good morning, Divine. Good morning. Oh yeah, you made it first today. Henry. Good morning. Alani. Good morning. Simon. Good morning. Yeah, it's going. Yeah, it's very. It's definitely wild today. Mom. Good morning. All right. Yeah, gotta get to these charts because yeah, they're playing games. But I can see things that would lead to this happening. Like if we look, we're being pulled in all sorts of different directions right now. All right, so we got the PCE. It closed yesterday at 87, which makes sense why we're up. But I think we're about to come right back down. We might push higher. They're going to try to get us to close out some puts, more than likely. But I think we're coming down. Like, look at the SPY in a demand zone. I think this is a 4 hour demand zone, this whole gray box. There's another one on 1 hour right here. So if we come anywhere, like if we come to 598, hey, I'm grabbing a short. Low key, if we open right here, I'm gonna grab like a I'm gonna grab like a high risk, really high risk, but I'm grabbing a short at open on the SPY right here, and I'm gonna let it ride for the day because I could easily see us coming down to fill this gap or maybe I grab it for Monday or Tuesday since the market is not open Monday. But yo, it's looking a little wild right now. That Palantir call will probably close out. I'm glad it kind of held up a little bit, but yeah, I'm definitely taking profits. All right, morning slow PM. Yeah, I got too much money. Got to get it on first up on the rise. Yeah, lock in. Hey, any profits? Don't hesitate to lock them in. Hey Matt, can I start an IRA on Robinhood, and how much do I? You can start it with nothing. I got like I don't know if you see my Roth IRA. I got like 2 videos on Robinhood with my Roth IRA. I got like 1,500, but it's like yeah, you can start a IRA. I think there's an icon in the middle. If you don't have it, there's a like in the middle at the bottom. But yeah, you can. That's something you can do. You said slow pre-market. Hey, this doesn't look slow to me. Oh, hold up. Let me get ready to. Let me see if I can grab a put on the SPY. Give me 1 second. All right. This is kind of like a high risk situation. I'm going for the 21st though. I'm not going for today. I want to see kind of where we open up, where things move. Oh yeah, y'all be sure to I don't know if y'all see Skittles chat. Be sure to smash a like. Henry, oh yeah. Mass 3DRC. Good morning, by the way. Yeah, I really don't trust it though. All right, looks like I can grab a 591 put for the 21st. Hold up. Let's see. Oh, hold up. I need a moment. Oh, there we go. There we go. I was on the wrong one. Okay, so. Oh no, it's already coming down. I'm gonna need to hold up. Okay, what is it? Yeah, 591. Yeah, it already went up. I'm gonna have to go 590. All right, we'll see if those play out. All right, I'm leaning heavily on downside. Let me go share that with the Discord, and then we'll hop in and look at some other stuff. I'm gonna target that gap fill. Slide this down here, or if it wants to make moves like that. Oh, and of course the price goes down. Those contracts are jumping all over the place. I must have bought at a high IV. All right. 80. Good morning. Jaswan. Good morning. Sharonda. Good morning. The QQQ was, yeah, it was. It's a good thing we got till Tuesday, cause yo, we got like some heavy manipulation. But if you look at the dollar, it's like this dollar says we're coming down. We're just the PCE was just up high yesterday, and they want to sell that off. So, Kayleen, good morning. Yoko, good morning. T. Arlington, good morning. Lucky J, hey, we got to drop one in there. Let's see. This is how I'm feeling right now. I'm not sure I can look right now. Black and Wild, good morning. And Bills, good morning. Here it goes, going back up. I'm not trusting any of the moves I see first half of the day. I might want to take profit on my on the call from Palantir though. Oh yeah, up 50%. It was up more, but I'll take that. Lock it in. See profit, take profit. All right, so and then if we do come down, I still have that put from yesterday. Otherwise, it's going to expire worthless. Derek, good morning. My life be like, good morning. Amaya, good morning. Hey, yeah, be sure to smash the like button. Made 45 on an Apple call. Hey, good stuff, Derek. Did you send out the watch list? Not so there was no watch list video. There was no watch list video today, but I did send out like the actual watch list that normally goes out. And good. Watch me work fitness. Good morning, Henry. Good morning. All right, hold up. Thoughts on SoFi? 1.1 million puts calls expire today. Market makers. Honestly, that wouldn't surprise me. Let's see. I'll say on the day I'm bullish, like I'm bearish overall. Let's see. It wouldn't surprise me if it stayed in a range, like kind of between this 16 and this 1650. I would say below 16 there might be something there, but I wouldn't look to it for major moves. But hold up, I still need to alert the Discord. It's hard to find my history on here though. Let me transfers, investing. Oh, there we go. So yeah, let me take that screenshot. All right, let me go share this with the Discord real quick. Y'all give me a moment. Let's see. Took profit on PLTR call. And just, oh wait. Just entered a lotto put on the SPY expiring. What is it? 1/21. Think I paid 83 per share. What was the 590? Okay. Lotto 590. Okay, there we go. All right, got that in there. Let's see. Maxes, I'm looking good for Home Depot. Did a 425 call. How you think that? I think the SPY is going to play the games. I think it's probably going to I think it's running numbers on us today. Like it's up here right now. Let's yeah, we're starting the day up here, but I'm eyeing this level down here. Support is 595, and I would say resistance is actually going to be 598 currently. So that's kind of the current range, but I took a play just going just jumping ahead of that. How do you what do you think about Vail made 30 last week on a put? Currently got a call. Give me a moment for when it comes to the other stuff. I still need to kind of fix these charts I'm on real quick. But yeah, we can take a look at Vail, Home Depot, all those. Just want to kind of see what's. Yeah, it's looking like liquidity. But let's go to 50. Actually, let's go to a 5 minute. Let's turn on the 13 EMA. Oh no, that's the wrong one. There we go. Let's turn that on. Let's go to a 5 on the SPY. That's the wrong one. Zoom in on that. All right, so we're selling off on the SPY a little bit, selling off on the Qs. Let me zoom out real quick. Move that on over. All right, got that right there. Let's fix. Look at Tesla over here. Turn on the EMA. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of watch the EMA today. And now we can look at other stuff over here. All right, let's see. How do we get in the Discord? Yeah, let me drop the alert or drop a link real quick. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got the link right there. All right, that's the link. And let me pull up Palantir down here. Oh dang, Palantir. So I didn't want to go retest that resistance. I said resistance on Palantir is going to be like right there at like 71.50. JP, good morning. Oh yeah, remember to leave a like. Also heard some great news about Palantir. Oh, did I have some good news? Let's see. Initiates Palantir Technologies with a neutral price target. Oh, you'll have to let me know what the news is. All right, let's check the charts we got kind of recommended to us so far today. So I see. Okay, first one I see is Home Depot. Let's see. SHD. I mean, range wise, on 4 hour. This looks like money. Also got this 407 kind of being next pullback. Let's look at it on 1 hour. I don't love the price action on it, but if it were to continue its trend, this level right here, got some liquidity right there, so just mark that up. See it on my 4. Let's see. Okay, now let's look at, okay, Palantir drop back down a little bit. I actually rather look at Palantir right there. See if we get any good moves on it. All right, and then you said Veil. Okay. All right, so I personally am not a fan of the way this moves, but the question about Veil was, yo, where'd it go? Did the comment like get deleted? I know I saw something about Veil. Okay, I see Home Depot. Oh, okay, I see it now. Vail made made $30 on a put. Got a call and looking good. Think it's bullish. Here, so we stop. Overall, I'm gonna have to say that looks very bearish. Honestly, I don't see any support looking on a weekly chart till about 70 or 770. But going down to a day, it's going to be the same thing on a daily, on a 4 hour. I actually think there's resistance here. If it can hold above the $9 area, it can push up further. But from here, this would actually be an area I expected Vail to sell off personally. All right. You said Rivian shot up today. Oh, wait, hold up. Moo says, good morning, Moo. XLF is about to hit 50. How it is? Okay, so you're asking. Okay, I like the information in the question. You were a little. Okay, all right. Okay, so we're already on a 4 hour. So we have a good range. I mean, it looks like it definitely has a lot of momentum. Let's go to a weekly. So we got support at about 47. This is a very bullish week for it at all-time highs, pretty much. On the weekly, I would expect it to keep going up. On the 4 hour, I mean, it's approaching a supply zone. I would say it looks like it could keep moving till maybe about like 516 to 530. That's when the next kind of supply zone is in this region. But as for now, it's kind of like you just got to go with the flow. Here, let's see. Rivian shot up today. Morning, King Mano. All right. Oh, we're on a 4 hour chart. Let's see. So they're up 5%. Okay, so there is a. Well, they're moving up. So it looks like they're kind of. Oh, wait, this is a 5 minute. Let's go to a 1 hour. Yeah, they pulled back into a demand zone right here. So they're currently creating a new range. It's like they're moving up. However much they want to move up, that's on them. But I want to see where the range ends up going before I do anything. Let's see. Cassius, good morning. Let's go Bulls. Yo, looking on the day, yeah, it's like the Bulls are showing out this morning. I think today is one of those days where the market makers they play with your feelings and your heart. So we already got a lot of people that sold off looking at the PCE being down so low. We got the SPY kind of it's up, and I think there's gonna be a move down later today, but hey, only time will tell. But if you look at the Dixie made a pretty good move up today, which is out of line with what's going on. So I think they're going to take money. All right. I kind of sold QQQ yesterday. IDK if it was right. I mean, if you sold it yesterday, good. It's like I would have sold it. I just changed my account to a cash account today, the one that I've been trading these in. So now I can actually take profit when I see them, like same day. Cause I probably missed out about like $300 or $400 this week, just cause I had to swing it to the next day, and they've kind of been not letting it happen. So it's been very upsetting this week. Marion, all is well, all is well. You're the best and you deserve the best. I appreciate that, family. You're the best. Okay, I feel like some of these comments are like just popping up because I didn't see that one earlier, but I saw these other ones. But that, good morning. Oh yeah. Glad you appreciate the video. Intel on Intel. Let's see. Yeah. If y'all okay. Yeah. Intel's popping. It would have been nice to catch this. Hold up. If y'all hear that, there's a I don't know. It's like one of the maintenance dudes vacuuming. I'm downstairs again today, so there's not really too much I can do about that. But oh yeah, this was pre-market, so now they're playing like this little game right here. So it's like it looks like they're riding the 13 EMA. That might kind of work out. We'll have to watch and see. Hey man, I'm in some bad trades, but I can't get out because Robinhood said there's going to. If you're in those bad trades, did you get? I'm assuming you got in those trades today. If you got in those trades yesterday, you should be able to get out of them now. But if you didn't already, is Veil doing something else? Did it break that 9 level? Because we already, so we already, I'm not sure if you got like an ad or something, but we already looked at Veil. And what I said for Veil is, I would kind of, from here, I would expect it to kind of sell off and go back down. Unless it can like break and hold above that $9 level, it's probably going to come down and test the low again. So that's all there really is to say about Veil. Okay, just logged in. What is going on, everybody? Let's make some money. Yeah, let's let the market give us a move. Here, I'm gonna zoom back out on the chart. Honestly, this right here, if we come back to this level right here, this 595.65, there might be a quick money play to potentially a quick money play up to like take out the high. Or maybe it forms like a double top and then we come down, something like that, or maybe even something like that. So many possibilities. Let's see. Thinking of calls on the SPY because SPY looks bullish on all my time frames, but being very careful. Yeah, I feel that. It's like today's we got something going on outside. I'm sorry. Yesterday was like chill down here. I was really liking it. I was like a bunch of sounds and stuff. UNG. I feel like everybody's looking at these stocks that I would not consider to be as popular today. United Gas. I don't think this is anything that I'm not a fan of the way this moves. This doesn't really fit the way I trade, so I can't really say anything about the chart. Costs. Wait, hold up. Oh yeah, no worries. How do you change I'm pretty sure I have a video on my channel. I think I have a YouTube short. If you just search how to switch to a cash account on Robinhood, there should be something there from somebody. Is there a possibility that the market closes? Let's see where it opened or how it opened. Yeah, I would say 100% there's a possibility. But it could also stay up here and close, like it can close at at resistance or above resistance too. It really, I think it's going to depend on how people are positioning right now. So if there are a lot of calls and stuff being bought, and if there's not a bunch of downside being bought, then they're going to push the market down later. If a lot of people are buying calls and stuff right now, they're going to push the market down later. Today is Friday, and they're going to do whatever it takes to make the largest profit for them. So wherever the largest amount of contracts are going to expire worthless, That's where they're gonna push the price. Making money Friday. Hey, that's the goal. Honestly, I'm not loving the price action for the day. I want to see if there's anything that's actually like kind of moves good, like that's not just like a pre-market mover, but has actually moved good since the market has opened. I don't think anything has really moved since the market. Well, we're like, yeah, it's like we had like quick moves on stuff, but then we might be in a range. Like just, ooh, what's going on with Alibaba? Look, so we opened up over here, 3. That's it's kind of taking off. Yeah, let's take a look at cost real quick though. So costs, once again, this is another one that is outside of the way I trade. If you look at it on a weekly, there is support at this 6 kind of 55 level. So I would say below that, I mean, next level to watch out for is 536. But if it moves up, next kind of area to watch out for is going to be 807 up to 850. But this is not going to be anything that I would like day trade or anything. What is a leading indicator that you trust for? So no indicator, just price action. Yeah, it really just kind of goes off the price. So it'll like this is the EMA. I'm don't like let me look at how you worded that. I wouldn't say I 100% trust this, but I think this is helpful for analyzing the trend. But I don't say there's any indicator I trust, because by saying I trust it, that means I would like fully lean on that. I wouldn't fully lean on anything, because no matter what the indicator says in the short term, you know, there are things that are going to happen long term, and it's like I can see them there, but it's really knowing whether or not it's going to happen today. Because if we look at what is it, like today's Friday. Today is the day they pull out their tricks and they try to make things expire worthless. Like we just gapped up. Yesterday, the PCE, which is representative, like this right here. Here, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So yesterday, the PCE, usually the higher this is, the more puts there are. So yesterday, towards the end of the day, we got kind of high up on the puts. Usually whenever this gets high, the market will gap up, like just gap up out of nowhere. So that's part of why we're up. So usually if this happens towards the end of the day, the market will gap up. Sometimes they'll let it chill the next day. Sometimes, it'll be a lot of time. But it's like usually they kind of move. They will move the market down to scare people and make them close out their puts. But I think they're going to bring it back down. All right, let's see. I'm in BTCT at 550. I'm guessing you just got in? Okay, yeah, you probably got in right here. I see you. Thoughts on Snap and Uber? What kind of thoughts are you looking for? Like Snap is, I don't know. It's like those aren't stocks I normally trade. It's like I can chart them, but you gotta let me know like what are you, like what time frame, what kind of Are you looking for a day trade? Are you looking for a swing trade? Like what time period are you looking for? You're asking if they're bearish or bullish. Um, here let's see. Snapchat. I mean, we start on a different time frame. So on the weekly, Snapchat is very much just in a range on the weekly. It's like right in the middle of the range. On the 4 hour, it's bearish. It's in a downtrend on the 4 hour, but below this kind of 1150 is current, 15 is current support. Below that, the next major support is going to be about 1075, but bearish. Yeah, Snapchat's going to be right now. If it doesn't below 1152, Snapchat's bearish. But if it breaks above that, it's bullish. Now Uber. Uber is bullish, but it needs to pull back. But it could always also go up beforehand. So Uber's bullish, but I don't like the idea of getting the upside on it until it's around like 67. $32 contracts on Apple put position. Is that the one from the other day, or did you just take that out now, Shamar? Because if you got it on the one from the other day, that was that was money. 80, I like following whenever I help my friends out. Oh yeah, this is 100%. This is not financial advice, and it's like I'll say, oh, this looks bullish, or oh, this looks bearish, and people are like, oh, call, oh, put. No, it's like just because something looks bullish or bearish doesn't mean, oh, buy a call, buy a put. It's like if you want to lose your money, go ahead, but it's like take some time, like soak in the information, or otherwise they're just gonna take your money. It's like start looking at the stock market as a way of, they say money gets transferred from the impatient to the patient. So if you feel like right here, I got in this kind of impatiently, the SPY trade I got in this morning, that was impatient. But also, I'm willing to sit in this. So if it ends up working out, I am kind of displaying patience. So my entry wasn't the most patient. Like if I were waiting, I probably would have the contract for a much better price. But I'm in now, so it is what it is. But yeah, it's like those who are patient and wait for, their entry and whatnot, they're going to be the ones like really sniping, really making money. Good morning. Could you please analyze coin? I mean, it's in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. There's a gap filled to 280. Next level of resistance gonna be about 300, 302. Yeah, so right here, I would lean more toward, like if you catch it at 300, 302, before this little gap fill, it's like I would potentially think you got some kind of pullback, and this would personally be what I targeted for a pullback, but it doesn't necessarily have to go there. Looks like it's kind of respecting the 13 EMA on the 1 hour chart. So that's a thing too. And hi, I'm new here. Could TD can be good thing to watch right now? Can't. I'm not. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. So yeah, they got like a good little gap up. Okay, I just got news that TikTok rules to uphold, or the Supreme Court rules to uphold TikTok ban. Let's see if that affects Meta at all. We'll kind of watch out for that. Let's see. Hey, sorry to hear you lost money. Hold up. This isn't something that I would. This isn't one of my stocks. So if it's not a big stock or anything like that, that's not gonna be anything that I'm really good at analyzing. So this is you would need like some kind of inside information to really know if that's going to do anything. But as of right now, nah, if you zoom out and look at the chart, there is like, oh, this looks like, yeah, no, I don't think that's coming back. It's like it could have some pops, but no, that's not anything I think will come back. And then here, let's see. Yeah, we're not doing anything today. Okay, let's see. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. I'm new to trading and currently use Robinhood. What site do you? So no recommendations, but I use TradingView and whatever platform I'm using. So if I use Robinhood, I'm using Robinhood, but I use TradingView to chart. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. Y'all should definitely check them out if you don't know how to do any analysis or check any of this for yourself. Let's see. So Tesla has a resistance at 430. If Tesla gets above that, hey, I might be down to see what's up. Oh, good morning, Life with T. Keller. Made money with hey, good stuff. Glad to hear that. Hopefully it comes back down. They're definitely playing with us right now, but glad to hear that. Is SPY bull flag on 10 minutes? Let's see. I mean, you might have something like that. Yeah, it might be something like that. I mean, I'm not seeing as much of the flag pattern. Maybe see it on a 9. It's like kind of. Yeah, kind of. I mean, the pattern is bullish, but Not sure if I would exactly say bull flag, but yeah, it's bullish. Tesla is getting ready to run again for the hey, it very well could be. If it breaks this 430, if we get a actual clean break, yeah, I might be down to play it. Y'all asking for too much. That's how you miss your money or get in the wrong place. If you're investing, you need to be learning on your. No, yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's like if you're just like I saw like a lot of these plays that people asked for today. I can tell we got like a lot of new people in here. It's like a lot of these stock. Okay, Tesla is hey, it's trying. It's trying. All right. Yeah, it's like a lot of like if you're trying to especially trade options, you gotta trade options on either first off contracts or stuff that you know that is going to have a big move, stuff with catalysts and things that are happening. If nothing's happening with it, you need to trade it on stuff that is actually popular, like the SPY, QQQ, IWM, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, like Meta. All it needs to be a big company. Ooh, AMD's having a good day. Like to see that. I'm sure these Tesla contracts are expensive. Let's see. It's 430. Oh yeah, Tesla is it's expensive. Yeah, that's probably not happening today. Hold up 1 second. Anybody watching? Oh yeah, John, I just saw it. I'm a little late, but I just saw it. Hakeem, hit the like button. Bitter, Bryce, pump. Yo, what is going on? Good morning, fam. Does AMD look bearish? Right now, from what I just saw, I would say it looks bullish. But let's see. Let's actually check their chart. So right now on the daily, it looks bullish. Let's zoom out a little bit. So that's one thing. All right, so we found like kind of an upside resistance for AMD, and now it looks like we might be able to kind of have like a bottom side to this channel. I'm not sure. Let's see, maybe we go right here. Maybe we can kind of draw like that. We did kind of come below it a little bit, but maybe we got a nice little channel forming here. So yeah, we'll watch that, see how it does. On the 4 hour, it's kind of above its 13 EMA. Right now, it's currently at its 48 EMA. We'll see how that holds. Josh, good morning. Good morning. Yo, you gotta. Oh, I've had the face camera. I just haven't even. I just haven't had it on. This is my laptop. Yeah. It's always been there though. It just hasn't been on. Let's see. Ion Q. Yeah, let's check that out too. So it's not doing anything right now. I personally would like to see it pull back. Like I would really, really love to see it pull back, but as of right now, it's consolidating. And like from here, it made a big move down. It's kind of pulled up, and it's looks like it's about to cross, but I'm not fully convinced yet. Oh, one that I was wanting to get in on. So just so y'all know, NUC is taking off again. Nucleus. Um, I have an order in for 2170. If that happens to get filled, but it looks like it decided to go up and go higher. So just want to let y'all know this one is in motion again. I feel like the market does not do anything today. It'll dip Tuesday, even though SPY's still looks like it. No, yeah, I'm 100% with you, Nunat. I know you say you're like new to trading, but honestly, I think I think your sense of like analysis and what you do, like it sounds like you have a very good grip on the SPY, and like it sounds like you have a like you understand it very well. So I'm with you there. Bitcoin's at 104. Oh, really? Talk about bullishness. Yeah, so yeah, Trump said something about like, oh, making crypto like a priority. So yeah, not surprised. Yeah, it'll probably go crazy. The Nasdaq will probably go crazy this year as well. Yeah, it should be a really good year to, I don't know, own tech in for crypto and whatnot. All right, so Tesla is retesting kind of this support. Let's see. Coin playing with us to the 300. Yeah, so hey, to those of you that are kind of new to the market and are and looking for a day trade today, I'm gonna let you, most of the time Fridays it's going to be the best day not to trade because on Friday is the day most options expire, and because of that, when you buy an options contract, there is someone on the other side of that contract, usually some kind of institutional hand, usually referred to as a market maker. Their goal when they sell you that contract is to, like, wherever the most contracts are, they want as many of them to expire worthless, out of the money as possible. So they will try to push the stock certain prices to shake you out of trades. Whatever is going to result in making them the most money, that is what they're going to do. So it's like they will, like they have the money and balance to, whenever a stock price moves, all that's going on is people are buying and selling. So right now, there are a lot more people buying Tesla than there are selling it. And because of that, it's going up. All right, so with most stocks, they're going to be able, like they have the balance and they have the funds to kind of say, okay, Tesla is going to go up, but today I have all these Tesla shares and I have these options contracts, and I'm going to make the most money if Tesla stays here. So let me sell these contracts to the people that are buying it so that I'm able to keep the price down and make money from these contracts. Right now, it looks like that's not the case for Tesla because it looks like they're letting it go up. But yeah, that's something that can be done with the market makers. And that's what goes on every Saturday. Do I like MSTR? Yes and no. I don't like trade it. It's like I wanted to buy it on some dips, and for some reason I never do, but I've always like kind of looked and like checked the charts. Like I was like, yo, if I ever see it down here, I'm buying it. But yeah, I really like the idea of them on a pullback. They keep pulling back, but they don't pull back enough for me. So it's like if we ever get any crazy pullbacks on them again, which, hey, gotta accept the fact that we may not. That's like, hey, I'm in there. Just kind of depends on where you get it. I jumped down 450 calls for today, but I will be out today too. Hey, as long as you're quick, it's all good. Is Uber a good stock to invest in? Honestly, that comes down to you. In my opinion, there are better, but there are also like a lot of people of the belief that Uber is, is going to the moon. So it kind of just depends on what you're looking at, what you believe, and yeah, it just depends on where your analysis leads you. Like, everyone has different reasons they invest in different things. Some things are more obvious than others. But me personally, it's not one that I am interested in too heavily, just because I think there are other other stocks that are, you know, mispriced more though. Is Google bearish or bullish? What time frame you looking at? And you say Google or Google? I'm gonna do Google because you didn't specify. Right now, Google is very much in a range. So if you look at Google in this range, the range is from about, you can say it's up to 200, but most of it's going to be about 198.50. So you got 198.50 down to about 185, 184. So in this part of the range, it's kind of like right in the middle. So right now it's like, this is just no trade. This is a no trade zone for Google. But like up here around this 199 area, it starts to get more bearish. If you break above like the 201 level, that's just straight up bullish. But as of right now, it's kind of like in betweenish, to find looking for a word. On the radar, Nuck back. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I'm usually pretty sketched out by Wait, hold up. What? BAKKT. Okay, that is. Oh, okay, I got you. I'm usually sketched out by. Okay, Tesla's back below 430. All right, I see some redness on, or yeah, I see some candles selling off right now. Coinbase resisted at 300. Yeah, Coinbase looks like it got slapped a little bit, but it's back at the 13 EMA, so we'll see. Let's go back to a 15-minute. I'm messing with MSTX. How's that move? Let's see. That might be fun. Oh, I like it. It always feels nicer when you can hold a full share. It's like, I know percentage wise, it's not the same because it's 2x. I was gonna say I know percentage wise it's the same, but no, yeah, I love when you can play with leverage, when you can actually when you can read the charts and stuff. It's not cool when you can't, but yeah, leverage is nice sometimes. Darren, what's good, Darren? Life with T. Keller. So I'm gonna start saying TK. I had a friend named TK growing up. Unless you don't like TK, I mean, then I won't do that, but yeah. You're welcome. 156 win Tesla paper trade. Hey, good stuff. Hey, Josue, that's the way to do it. Yeah, sticking to one or two stocks. That's how you really that's how you really learn. Like I look at a lot of stuff, but like I start like when I'm just looking at a couple, that's when I start saying like, oh, that's doing that. I wouldn't have caught that. But yeah, hey, that's what's up. Like this and start options for real. And hope I can continue. Hey, I like your path. I like your path. You're starting out good. you're starting out. Honestly, you're starting out amazing, Josue. If there's anything that you find yourself struggling with, hey, don't hesitate to ask. Want to help make this journey as easy as possible for you. So surprised the miners just don't want to. Hey, feel it with. We go over this every time. These market makers, they don't want to give it to us, especially on Friday. Especially on a Friday. So, I mean, they're up. The market makers are up, but yeah, they're not. They're not up like you would expect them to be. Slona bull or bear. I don't know what Slona is. Is that a? Yeah, I don't see anything for that. So all right, let's see. Did you see Hindenburg Research close? I've heard of Hindenburg Research, but I'm not really familiar. No, I did not see, to answer your question. You use the stock spy to feel us kind of to an extent. It's kind of like it in a general sense, yes. In a general sense, it's not always like that. I use a lot of things to kind of check, but yeah, to answer your question, yes, that is how I use the spy. Who's at my front door? Who is that? Okay, let's see. SOFX started up yesterday so far. Interesting. Okay. So the next time we get like a real dip on SoFi. Oh, it's priced more than SoFi. Interesting. Okay. But next time we get a dip on SoFi, I mean, we'll check that out. Like a real dip, not like a oh, it sold off like $1 or like 50 cents. I mean, like if we see SoFi like 12, I might consider loading up on some of that. I notice every time the SPY gets to 600 or above, it always goes back down a lot. So that's in that instance. That's so it hasn't happened that much really, but that's just here. Let's look at it on a weekly. So there's only been really a total of like 5 weeks, maybe six that's happened. So I can't even really say much about that honestly. But yeah, it's a psychological level. But yeah, we didn't really spend much time above it, so not really much to say. But hey, that's definitely a good thing to notice. Like notice, look for all these little things. Notice these key levels. Like yeah, that's 600 is a key level for sure. You want to know your stock like it's a family member, like it's a pet. I always think of like maybe you want to know a stock like your lover. You want to know what makes it tick. You want to know what makes it. No, I'm kidding. You don't need to know your stock like a lover. I feel like some people don't really know the people they're with that well, which is a problem in itself. But maybe you should know it better than that. You should make sure your stock's like your bestie or something. And I hope you're someone that knows your bestie. I know some people actually get pretty enthralled with like the shows they watch, and get into things like fan fiction, if you're one of those people and you're doing this, make your stock something that you watch. Well, it should be something that you watch, but like, come up with your fan fiction. Get enthralled with it. I don't know. It's like, if you put that much energy into these other things, hey, imagine if you put that energy into this or into your charting. Be a whole new, hey, you'd unlock a whole new level. Yeah, I heard that before a long week or an end of a month. That thing they like to, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we do have a long weekend. Monday, Martin Luther King Day, and then it's also Inauguration Day. Solana. Oh, is that what they were trying to say? Oh, okay. Solana. Oh. Uh, yeah, Solana's probably going to go up just because it's crypto. Let's see. Do you do this every day? So I will not be doing this on Monday. But yeah, whenever the market's open, yeah, usually. Quentin, good morning. What are your thoughts on this little option? I got March 21st, first 25 puts for EDR. Is this smart or should I? I mean, whether or not it's smart, that kind of depends on why, like what made you get in. But you said 25, oh, hold up, let's zoom out. No. $25 puts. So me personally, this is not anything I would be targeting just because it's in an uptrend. But I do see they have earnings towards the end of February. Um, in my opinion, it might be kind of early to be getting in for that if you're expecting it to move down for earnings. But like if you know something about the company, like if you know like some news is about to come out, that could be a good move. But the next like large level of resistance or support looks like it's going to be around this 27.57. So I know you don't need to make money. Um, you don't need it to go all the way there to make money, but it's just oh, to me it seems kind of far out because these are like weekly charts, and if you look at the weekly, it's just bullish. You know, it's making higher highs and higher lows. So right now, a put, especially that far or anywhere near that, would not be in the question for me personally. I like that you got time on it though. Here, where looks like the TikTok news has pulled Meta to the downside. That's because I feel like they benefited from the news. It's just like here, actually, let's look at Meta again. So yeah, Meta's down. All right, so fact of the day: Meta platforms experience a decline in pre-market following. Okay, let's see. TikTok seen as strong strategic fit for Amazon. Huh? I don't know, but yeah, everybody's trying to move over to Red Note or whatever. I've I don't get on TikTok like that, but over these past few days, I mean, I still haven't been on like crazy, but I've actually been using the app and like not like posting, but just like kind of reviewing. I'm like, oh, what are people posting on here? And what I'm saying is a lot of people are going over to Red Note. I personally don't like it because I think it's cool because I see it's like, oh wow, this is the first time like Americans and Chinese citizens are able to interact, and it looks like there's friendly discourse. But it's like, first off, I mean, it's not like anyone ever reads the terms and conditions. But it's like, yo, you can't even read those terms and conditions. Um, I see a lot of people in Chinese say like whatever translator app you're using is like really bad because like whenever people are trying to respond to like the in the Chinese characters or whatever, apparently it's like really wrong and like no one has any idea what they're saying. So it's like even if I took that, put in a translator, I'm like, yo. So it's like, yo, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna hold off on that one. But it's cool. Okay, TK said it's fine. I let my coin turn red. Pray for me. Hey, prayers coming your way. Um, I still gotta work sadly. Spend Monday studying up on your videos. Yeah, go on. Yeah, it's like it doesn't even have to be videos. Watch a video, study a skill. Honestly, it doesn't even have to be mine. Just yeah, work on your charts. Work on your charts. Like try to chart something and see if it responds. Hey Silvio, good morning, good morning. Loaded up at the 12ish some days back. Mr. Jones, what are we referring to? I feel like I'm kind of behind on these comments. What's your input on TSLL? Oh, wait, yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, it's a good way to play Tesla. The options are, oh wait, hold up. The options are expensive right now, so it's a good way to play it. Like, grab you a few shares, get you some percentage gains, and go back to Tesla. So really, it's like, looks like we're getting a retest here. So yeah, this could be a good area to target a little upside swing action. So Solana, yeah, we can take a quick look at it. I mean, I'm gonna say like before I even look at it, Solana should be bullish. Oh no, it's not, or not on a 5. Let's go to a 4. Yeah, it's very much bullish. Support at like 214 down to 211. Real nice level to pick it up would be 210, but yeah, it's bullish. But this is also, oh, it's actually kind of above it. Yeah, I was gonna say this is kind of a major level right here, but yeah, this is this is good like key level. I would like to see it close above 223, and I think it probably will get there. But yeah, like a great pullback would be like 210, but it's like in here, it's still good too. D Red Terra, just woke up. What'd I miss? Overnight while you were sleeping, the market gapped up, but since the market opened, it's done a whole lot of nothing. So you watched some, or you've missed some theta burning. That's all. That's all. The fact that you're live right now and watching real time right now is, hey, I mean, I'm glad you appreciate that. Glad you appreciate that. Do you still have your QQQ put? Oh yeah, I still have it. It's for Monday. So in the back of my mind, I still have the thought that they're going to pull the rug. I mean, no guarantees, but that is something I have in the back of my mind. Like, we zoom out, look at the Qs. We still have a gap down to like this 513 level. But one thing I will say, I don't know, this chart's kind of messy. We have a gap that needs to be filled up to like 528 as well. Oh, Honestly, there's a lot that can happen, but I am still holding it. Life with T. Keller for that bag. Lucky J for that bag. Mm, man, it's kind of cold in here. Hey y'all, give me a second. Let me go turn up the heat just a little bit. I feel like I think better when I'm properly tempered. Ooh. Right. All right. Yeah. Let's see if we get a little heat in here. All right. So trying to get it. SoFi is starting their cryptocurrency trading services. If they can get the green light, why would they not get the green light? Would that be like shareholders not giving them the green light? Let's see. Let's look at SoFi. Let me look at the SoFi. I'm gonna look at the actual SoFi app again. Oh, hold up. I got a package delivered. Okay, they actually delivered it to the package room. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the actual SoFi app right now. They had it before, but government made them stop. All right, so I see the poll. Everyone said 64% said the market is closing green. I very much look forward to seeing how we close today. But okay, we're gonna put a new poll in. We're gonna close this poll out. And now I want to ask, yeah, those are the results. Now I want to ask, do you have the SoFi app? Like we could get a bunch of yeses and nos in the actual could get a bunch of yeses and nos in the chat, but I'm curious, like how many people actually have SoFi. I have it myself, but looks like a majority of y'all don't have it. So I think honestly this is a tool I don't use enough. This little poll tool. All right, we got so far it's 11 votes. So, oh wow. So there is honestly that's pretty from what I'm seeing. Okay, Jonathan does not have it. All right, so I'm also assuming those of you who put no do not use SoFi as well. SoFi closed crypto service. Okay, interesting. All right. So what this is telling me is there is so much growth out there available for SoFi to grab and kind of like utilize. So that's good. 50 unit. Mr. Jones, what are you 50 unit? What are you talking about? What's that mean? I've had SoFi for over a year. I've had it for over a year now too. Honestly, I was hearing for SoFi about a long, like I was hearing about SoFi for a long time before we actually got it, or before I actually got it. But it's like, yeah, I like it. Yeah, thank you, Skittles, for talking about that. I have it, but haven't really used it. But will definitely. I mean, on 50 Cent. What are we talking about? 50 Cent, 50 unit. What are we? I'm so confused. I need answers. It's like, okay, so hold up real quick on the spy. Here, let's go back to a 1 hour. Oh wait, hold on, wrong chart. Okay, so it's still pushing up. You zoom back here too. Oh, low key, we got some liquidity over here. I'm not sure if we swept it yet, but we got some liquidity over here that needs to be swept. That, oh, hold on. Let me actually just use the horizontal line tool. Yeah, if we don't go like crazy high, like we could come up in the 538s, but even in that range, it's like, yo, this could just be a big sweep of liquidity. If that's the case, like, here, let's, have we swept that yet? Let's go to like a 15. It looks like, nah, we haven't come to it yet. So we might go a little higher. Okay, I've had SoFi over a year now. Okay. They ain't market for real, ain't doing nothing. John Hobbs. Bro, y'all are like doing stuff above my, yeah, y'all are over my head right now. Y'all are over my head. But okay. Crypto stocks running, clean spark, mine right. Oh, they're moving now? Here, let's swap out QQQ right now for, let's go to a 5. Oh yeah, we got good movement. Clean spark doing its thing. Mara doing its thing. Riot doing it. Yes, they very much are. All right, so 33 votes, 76% no. I was okay. All right, yeah, there is definitely plenty of room for SoFi to grow. My SoFi closed today. We doing good. Hey, good to see. I might want a SoFi app. I can invest in stuff they've got. Oh, hold up. While we're talking about SoFi, let me just share this. Anybody looking at SoFi? Oh, hold up. That's too long. I didn't know you could type messages. That were too long for the chat. Yeah, so that's just anybody thinking about getting SoFi. That's just a referral. It's not a sponsor, but hey, just throwing that in there. Oh yeah, SoFi is going for it. We look at that on that 1 hour. Yeah, next level, next kind of Oh well, it's at that. It's above that next level. Above this, you got 1719. You got 1733. Go off. So hold up. SoFi is one of the ones I actually average into every day. Look at my SoFi. SoFi. Oh, hold up. I didn't even realize I had a call on Riot that expires in like June. I always have something I'm in on crypto wise. Oh yeah, we doing all right on SoFi. I'll take it. I'm even up on my AMD. Hey, good stuff. Not the option, but my shares. Here, let's see. I think SoFi is a bomb stock to have. No, yeah, SoFi is nice. I wanted to grab like some, like multiple, like around the time when it was $8. I was hoping it was still around that range towards the beginning of this year, because I was gonna start doing that, and we are gonna like. That was what I wanted to like kind of build a larger position in, and I still want to build a position. Just I don't want to go in as heavy yet because I could still see it pulling back. You and Aristotle taught me the most about trading. Thank you for your time, bro. I see people talk about Aristotle a lot, and I have like seen a video or two of his, and I think I'm not sure if I'm subscribed. I might be subscribed, but I've seen like a video or two of his, but I haven't like. Oh, I might have to like check him out again, just so I know what's actually going on with that. I don't know how to feel about it, but it's like from the things people say, I would imagine that's positive. All right, so is this liquidity or are we just gonna bust? Honestly, this it wouldn't even matter on this time frame. It's really like the hour that we would need to watch it on, or maybe the 4 hour. I don't know, but it's one of those time frames. I made profit on a SoFi call recently too, so I have a good hey, good stuff. Good stuff. SoFi is SoFi is that stock. Yep, SoFi in the portfolio. I just started trading and took two big losses. I think I should follow your lead. Oh, I take losses every day. So don't. It's like listen to what I say, not 100% what I do, because I still do not wise things. Most of the time I do not wise things, though I will say it's not wise. So I would say listen to me. But this isn't financial advice. But like I do try to warn when like what I'm doing is like higher risk. But usually when I say, oh, this is like real money, that's when people doubt me the most. So I'm like, no, this is there. Like, but when I say I don't know, then I don't know because they like to play games. All right. Holding Wolf until after. Let's see how Wolf's doing. Been talking about that one the past couple days. Ooh. Yeah, making good moves today. Yeah, that Wolf looking good today. Over 50%. Oh yeah, good stuff. I like watching Chris saying after watching his videos on options trading, I've improved a lot. Yeah, Chris saying is good. I feel like he's very vague. It's like he knows what he's doing. I feel like he's holding out on information. It's like I know what he's doing too. But I feel like to the majority of people, he's holding off. Oh wow. So I just clicked on that SoFi link. Here, let me show y'all. Matthew wants you to get $325 and pay no account fees. Sometimes I get curious. I'm like, what does the link actually go to? I guess that's what you see. So yeah, I want you to get $325 and pay no account fees. You gotta lose to learn. Hey, yeah, most people do have to lose to learn. There have been times in my life I've been able to learn from other people's losses. But yeah. And actually luckily I've been able to learn a lot from other people's losses, but for the stock market, most of the losses I've had to take myself. Do you think the market will continue up since there are good support on it can. Like it's like right now if you look at the 13, I think we're gonna like slowly ride this up. We are like pretty much up here. Resistance is at 598. I think it might pop above that a little bit, and then after, like I think we'll have like a move like this, honestly, like a quick pop above. It might run up, do something like this real quick, and then like within like 15 minutes come back down below, and then I think we could potentially consolidate, or we just like break and then we start selling off and like kind of form a downtrend or something. But honestly, I would be surprised if it happened exactly like that, but I could see something like that happening. Yep, yep. I think his money team behind the paywall gets deeper dive outsiders. So my dad has done that money team thing before, and my dad knows how to trade options. Um, Unfortunately, he didn't learn till like a little bit before me, so it's not anything I like learned from him. But he knows how to trade options and stuff. And there was a point in time he had done the money team thing. I'm not gonna say anything about it, but I know what it's like. Um, what do you think Tesla will do next year? Rebating on 400 put for next week. I think it kind of depends on how it does here. Like right now is so this was kind of a fake out, but I want to show you. Um, a lot of times when you get this fake out, it's just kind of like it's a fake out, but then you get like the real move shortly after it too. Because if we look at here, let's look at Apple for instance. We got one of those moves on Apple, like just the other day. So if we zoom out, let's look at Apple on the 4 hour. So I've had Apple charted on the 4 hour, right? And then usually, so this trend line has been respecting. Usually when you get the break of a trend line, you expect, okay, hey, let's start making moves back to where it started. But it turned out it was a fake out, and then we kind of came back. So it's like we ended up coming back in and it came back down. So it's possible that you can get like another like run and test. But as of yeah, it could come back down as well. But actually on Tesla, I want to zoom out because I was looking at this morning. So Tesla, like we broke up, we kind of pulled back down like really close to this support, but as of right now, I would say this trend line's less relevant now. And I would give more relevance to this one up here. But yeah, there is a gap fill close to the 400. Can you check coin again? Why, yes, of course. Let's see. Where we at? Where's coin? All right, so coin. Let's go to a 1 hour. Well, we open on this candle. So we still got a gap that needs to be filled to 80. Right now we got a bullish range from about right here, 289 up to 300. Um, if we're going to respect the 15-minute chart today, if it were going to make another move up and kind of take out that high for the day, you would more than likely want to see it come here. And then also looking at it, there is a 15-minute demand right here. This is like really small time frame and intricate charting, but you do have good movement from these points. So if I were looking to kind of snipe a trade on this, this can continue to trade sideways as long as it wants, but ultimately the ideal would be once you get like, you could get a break here, it could either come just below this and then go up, or it could come down like this and kind of make its move up. And the target would either be this first is 299.53 or this $300 level for it to make a new high. So this is based off a 15-minute chart though. It just looked the cleanest on this. Let's see the 30. Still kind of similar range, but on the 30, the kind of moves up a little bit. The demand zone gets a little bigger, but yeah. Clear that out of the way. But yeah, I would really kind of look for this. Look for like it to come down below 293.21. All right, love the outdoors. Hey, the outdoors is a pretty cool place. Right now, it's not looking too great in Texas, but yesterday I was like, yo, God is good. Like I was just like, yo, I had one of those ripsticks. I ripstick from my garage to like my apartment building sometimes, just because like my parking lot can be decent size and it's across the parking lot. But I was like, wow, sun is shining. I think it was like golden hour. I was like, wow, God is good. All right, I'm very new to all this. I split my hood portfolio into AMC, Tesla, SoFi, SPY, Reddit, XMR. So far, all green except Reddit and Ripple. What do you trade on? Robinhood, Moomoo. What else? Interactive brokers. This platform that you see on the screen, this is called TradingView. If that's what you're referring to. I'm not actually taking trades from this. I am. What is it? I'm not taking trades from this, but I am charting the trades. All right. I'm trying to learn how to trade options, but until then, I'm trying. Hey, I mean that's a good way to start out, honestly. Yeah. Start like get familiar with the stocks that you like to watch and get familiar with the way they move and their patterns and start trying to predict them in the future. Because it's like, honestly, being good at anything, it's all just going to be pattern recognition. It's like if you're going to be good at football, like say you're a star wide receiver, you know, you're running routes. The better you can run the routes, it's like the better you can break someone off and kind of run the routes and catch the ball. You know, it's pattern recognition. Same with the QB. It's like, oh, they're running here. Let me throw it here. Or let me run here. All this stuff. It's like charts. It's like it comes here. Oh, that means it's probably going to go here. Like all this, it's like everything's pattern recognition. It's like if you're, like say you're, I don't know, if you are into music and you know your scales, it's like, all right, I hear this scale in this song. Oh, let me try to invert it. And it's like, oh, shoot, breakthrough. It's like the masters. know all the patterns. I watch Chris a lot and agree he's very vague. Hey, but even if he's vague, it's like you watch him enough. Hey, it definitely helps. Like it's like even like you just watching something over and over again, like you're gonna start seeing the patterns yourself. He gives enough information. It's just you gotta watch him longer to get it. There goes that bullish run after that 41.44 mark on TSLT. Is that the inverse of Tesla? No, okay. No, wait. Is this the 2x? Okay, so this is 2x. What's TSLL? Yeah, TSLT is up slightly more percentage on the day. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I usually look at TSLL, but one more thing could you look at? Yeah, let's take a look at it. Nvidia is actually doing some things. So similar to what I just said with coin, similar kind of deal on Nvidia. So we got the range going from like right there, and then we got a demand. This is based off the 4 hour though, so it would take longer. But like similar thing to what we have up there on Coinbase is what I'd be looking for. So probably like ideally come take this low right here, dip back into here. But it's very well possible you could, because I want to say like this 140 level, it's part of the range. So we can move anywhere in this range until the range is broken. Okay. Mara is at a level of resistance. Yeah, we can take a look at Mara too. Yes, it is. Very much so. If it gets above this, it's also like this is a double bottom right here. So above this, you would think above this that you had like some kind of run to, I mean, maybe some kind of run. Like this looks like a larger double bottom, so I would ideally, like just looking at it, this looks like a move to 25 for me. It would probably take some time, but it looks like a move to 25 for me if we break this level. Let's see. Yes, most def Chris does not give all the info. He is, yeah, he's definitely about his business. Definitely about his business. Let's see. Gotta respect it though. Gotta respect it. I'm not. I'm gonna be real. I'm not like. It's like I like money, but I'm not like all about my business. I think I mean, it's important to have your money right, but I value like. I value connection to an extent. But I think there could also come a time when it's like, yo, oh, I feel like after a certain level, it's like it's harder to know who you're really connecting with. SoFi got a new analyst buy rating and a price. I'm gonna need them to chill out with these price target ratings. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm very bullish on SoFi, but I want people to chill out because I want to like build my position nice and slow. It's like they're not trying to let that happen. I'm gonna need these analysts to put their price targets around like $10, $15. And then if they want to like, let's say after the summer, if they want to like start pumping SoFi, hey, let them pump it up. Let them pump it up then. But yeah, it looks like they're trying to pump it. What is money team? That's just like I want to say it's like $300 to get option plays for a week. And it's like it's not like he tells you like when to buy and when to sell. It's more like he gives you some levels. I mean, it's like I think he kind of explains like, okay, if it comes down here, do this. So, I mean, it's kind of like telling it, but it's like you still got to do it yourself. So, if you don't find yourself following your plan well, then it's maybe not the best. M. M. Gween, Dallas, Texas. If you're talking about media, that's kind of where I am. Do you think the spy will go back? I think there's a strong possibility, but I also think it's going to depend on how things look today. If we don't buy a lot of downside, yeah, I think that'll happen. If people buy calls, yeah, I think they're going to push it down, but I think ultimately it comes down to what people do. So it's like this early in the day, it's kind of hard to tell. Uh, let's see. It's the lever. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So TSLT, TSLL. I need Palantir to be at 75. Oh, I would have loved if it would have gapped up this morning. If it gapped up like the SPY did, I would have loved that. But I already sold out on my call. On the 15 minute, it is a wait. Oh, you're talking about Nvidia. Let's pull that back up. Yeah, it's up 3% on that. How's AMD? AMD. Let me check AMD in this channel. Oh, hold up. The same way I kind of drew a channel on AMD, it looks like Nvidia might have one too. All right. Not quite the same, but it looks like they could possibly. All right, so looking at Nvidia, I got like kind of, I don't know, some like this maybe. And then for the upside, let's see. Yeah, so we'll see how this holds on Nvidia. Once again, looking at AMD, that's AMD's, that's Nvidia's. So they're very similar. Each one teach one. That's how we get ahead. Hey, 100%. I'm sure a lot of y'all have made money from things y'all learned from me, and then there are a lot of times y'all kind of come through and point me to things that will cause me to make money. I've been following all three of y'all for years, you, Chris, and Keenan, but I found you first, and I was skeptical about some of the stocks they would call out at first, but they are I agree. Keenan does his thing with the like. I love Keenan for like he does his research. Like I love the research he does. It's like me. I would say I'm kind of lazy. I would say I'm like lazy compared to him, but I'm also right here like kind of on live, so that's cool. But yeah, when it comes to research, nah, I'll let him do some research. I got like some other people I let do research, and then it's like, oh, after they kind of put them on my radar, I'm like, yo, oh yeah, that looks good. Let me do a little bit more myself. Let me look at it a little bit myself, see if I actually like it, and then I'm like, oh, okay. So yeah, Keenan definitely good with the. I feel like on the low you could just watch his channel, and if you have the patience, a lot of stuff he shows. Oh, hold up. Got an alert on Palantir. Let's see. Okay, so Palantir is crossing this. So they're right here. This is either a sweep of liquidity, and we're about to move down on Palantir. This is probably going to be a 45-minute sweep if it is. So it's like we can either kind of sell off from here, or we're about to kind of run up. But I would lean towards. Wait, hold up. me go to 1 hour. I might revisit what I said. Okay, so this is going to be possible liquidity, but just because we had this whole break in this chart over here, this area kind of threw me off, so I'm not 100%. I want to say that, but there is possibly something right here. So I just have that in there, but I'm not going to say that's like certified clear liquidity. It's $250 per week to join the money team. Used to be a member of KG Juke. He surrounds himself with some very smart people, just listening and learning from most of the plays that are made. 100. You just gained a sub, first day watching, and hey, welcome to the family, Boo Kicks. Nah, bro, I've been eating on MSTR scalps all day. I know it's more expensive, but next week it's going to be big either way, so you can hold. Hey, good for you. Oh, bro, it's like your name is Nah. I thought I I read your name as like Nah, bro. But bro, I've been hey, good stuff, good stuff. It's like nah, bro. Like go to 1 hour on the spy. No, honestly, spy just looks bullish. Let's look at on a. So it opened at 596. We got the Dixie up here. Here, I want to check something. Yeah, let's. Oh man, we got some fear. VIX kind of low. Let's go back to a 1 hour. So we're overbought on the 1 hour. Yeah, I think I like what I have. All right, I like this live though it's on point. Been following y'all. Nice. How do you research a stock? Henry, I'm not sure if you have it. Is there any stocks you want to research? Oh wait, hold on. Let me slide this over here real quick. The one thing I like is I don't know, say we wanted to, I don't know, let's say we wanted to research SoFi, right? Or actually here, let's run analysis on SoFi. That's like one thing I've been doing more recently to kind of cut down and kind of be more efficient is kind of utilizing Derive. So you can see right here we get the technicals, and if I'm newer, I want to start with the fundamentals. So you can see there's a recent 525 million personal loan deal strengthening the position, positive earnings trend with profitable quarters. Next earnings announcement is going to be on January, so 10 days from now. This is kind of the market sentiment. and we can view the market research details. Okay, so that's just a chart. All right, close that out. Would you like me to help you explore specific? Oh, so that's how I like to start now. All right, let's see. But yeah, it's like I'll do that. When it comes to actually looking at the technicals, I'll start out on like the, oh, hold up, not that one. I'll start out on a weekly chart. Try to see if what the trend is. So I can see that like over here, we were in a downtrend. Over here we were kind of sideways, and then now we are in an uptrend. Then I like to kind of drop down to each time frame and see kind of how we're doing on that time frame. Like on this 4-hour time frame, we're in an uptrend as of this point over here. If you are looking for ground up crypto, I can recommend you get some XRP SHIB for that. Yeah, they do look like they are going to do pretty well in the future. If you don't mind, I'd like to recommend a YouTube channel. He's great at breaking down the economy, markets, and taxes. Smart man makes. Yeah, go on, Skittles, come on. Don't keep it away from us. You said Tesla, okay. Yeah, we can run the, where'd it go? Yeah, we can run and do a look at Tesla. Clear value. Oh yeah, clear value tax. Yeah, I watch him from time to time. He's very stoic. I like the way he like reads things. It's like he's just like right there. He has his little sheets, and he's like, I don't know. He's cool. And it's like I've even seen him do videos on how to like trade options. I was like, oh, interesting. I didn't know he did this stuff, but I was like, cool. Consider facts such as market conditions, volatility, and your risk tolerance. Especially before engaging in day trading. Best of luck and blessing for everyone's trades between now and after inauguration. Hope everyone multiplies that for real. Dang, by the time I see y'all next, we'll have another president. That's kind of crazy. It's kind of wild. I feel like we're going to get a lot of good and a lot of bad that occurs from this, but you know, we gotta take the good with the bad with the good. Is just how it is. So, hey, no problem, Henry. On your stock positions too. If the market goes down, I just know everyone will be up. You say, yeah, he's cool. No, yeah, 100%. Yeah, he's cool. I feel like everyone here should have seen like something clear value tax. It's like I feel like he talks over, he goes over so many things. And it's like, it seems fairly simple. And it's like, I love that he's just straight up like reading off his papers. Like, it's like, you know, you're providing value whenever you can just legit just take the facts and just read them. And then of course he throws in a little bit, like he has his own knowledge in there, but it's like, yo, it's just straight up like, yeah, it's just there. It's like, it's cool. It's like, I don't watch him every day or anything, but like, normally when he pops up, he is a trusted source. He is definitely a trusted source. Derek watch him a lot. Hey, yeah, he definitely helps to keep you in the know. Definitely deserves everything that he has. Oh, we got Euro close in 6 minutes. It'll probably cut out around then. I'll be watching the market kind of here and there on the, oh, hold up, Tesla's back above. Tesla came back up. I'm gonna say it's hard to call for the day, but like from right here, it looks like we are going to run. It looks like we'll run for the day. Yeah, my ride's looking good. Let me see how Quantum's doing today. Ion Q's down a little bit. I'm gonna clear off Delta, eBay, GitLab. Let's keep KULR. Clear off CTM, FFIBE, QUBT. Hey, I'm glad I took profit on QUBT when I did. Yeah, I took profit right in here. This was in pre-market too. Yeah, if we get any kind of pullbacks down here again, I might pick up some more. Wait, okay, next summer you can go to Corpus Christi and swim in the Gulf of America. Hey, only if there are sharks down there. Oh, well, who am I kidding? If I'm down there, you know there's a shark there too. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Or maybe I can go to the 51st state of America. Oh, whoa, oh, that's where you're from. Canada. Okay. I heard that from Trump Funny. If possible, can you do it? I've done a video on gamma squeeze on the low. Honestly, I'm gonna say the execution is whack. But honestly, at the point I'm at, I don't think I could do a much better one. I can link. It's like I feel like I don't think I'm the best one to watch on that. If I'm being honest, let me see. Let me search. Let's see. It was like something relating to GME. I'm looking for it right now. NVIDIA squeeze. Oh, yeah. It looks like a bad video. I'm not even gonna share it. Let's see. Maybe I can. I will see. Actually, I'm probably not going to today. I mean, I'll add it to the list. I know I still have on my list. I still got to do that video about what was it? There was a request for how do I say it? Oh, how to set the stop loss after hours. That way, like set it where it'll actually work after hours. Because some people set stop losses, but it's only for market hours. So here I can do, yeah, gamma squeeze. I'll put it there, but I'm gonna be real. I would say don't expect this anytime soon, but if I get to a point where it's like, oh, I'm free, yeah, I got you. We're thinking about inviting Washington, Oregon, and California to be there. Oh no, let's not do that. I mean, yeah. Nah, cause nah, in California they got what's it called? That's that one, Yosemite. Nah, I need to see what's up with Yosemite first, and then Oregon. Nah, that's where Nike's is headquartered. Nah, got some things I gotta do in Nike too, or in Oregon too. Washington. Oh wait, we're talking Washington. There's some thing. Oh no. Yeah, there's some great national parks out there too. Nah, I got hey, too much I gotta do first. Too much first. see. Yeah, John's right. Hey, politely declined. Politely. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Portland, Oregon. Heck yeah, brother. Ran up 500 for a 30. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Skittles, you can have Washington. Yeah, that's what, like, when I said Washington, I was like thinking about it. I was like, I don't really. But then I was thinking, like, oh no, it's Washington State. I was like, nah, I don't want to give that up. But yeah, Washington, D.C., 100%. You can have that. You can have the White House too. I remember I went to Washington, D.C. once. I guess it was in the summer, bro. Bro, there was not a second I was not sweating. And like, the sun was miserable. Like, low key, it was worse than being in Texas in the summer for me. I don't know. I was young, but I was like, yo. Dang, I kind of hiccuped and like laughed at the same time when I saw that. You said, no, no. We politely declined. You sure? You know, Trump might be there. Joe might be there right now. 40, I mean. Even better, even better. But yeah, we'll give you combine North and South Dakota. I think like I feel like I feel like there's stuff in the Dakotas. Like I don't know. I don't fully know. But I feel like there's stuff in the Dakotas. Like good stuff. Like I have a homeboy who went to school in South Dakota. Yeah, no, not summertime. Or not in the wintertime. It's cold right now in DC, but I do not recommend going during the inauguration. It was a war zone. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. It's like I think no matter who would have been president, there would be some kind of hecticness. Like it's like last time, what was it? Last time there were the riots whenever Biden won, and there have already been two attempts on Trump. Honestly, I'm glad he's still here. We'll see how this weekend plays out. Hopefully, security's tight. I know there are people trying to keep it from happening. But yeah, we'll see. I feel like if anything were to happen to him though, hell, we might enter some kind of world war situation. People be pointing all kind of fingers. What's up, cuz? 110 on Bitcoin incoming. Hey, yeah, let's have it happen. I got like I got some calls on what's it, Riot? Yeah, I'll be up big on that. Let's see, where is Bitcoin? What's the high? What's the high for Bitcoin? Here, let's see. Here, we'll swap out Palantir. Where'd it go? Oh, we're straight up. Oh, I didn't even realize we hit all-time highs. Oh, that was last week. We hit all-time highs last week on crypto. Yeah, I do not remember being that high. Hey, I'm still here for it though. Oh, that's the monthly chart. Okay, I was about to say. Yeah, I was like, yo, that is more recent than I remember. But yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, I'm here for it. Big oil fields in North Dakota. Combined West Virginia and bro, 80, you're blowing my mind. There is a West Virginia and a Virginia. I'm so like, yo, my mind is blown right now. Whoa. All right, yeah, there's a West Virginia and a Virginia. Yo, we need Mexico too now that I'm thinking about it, cause we got a new Mexico. Why don't we have the old one? Okay, Like, why is the West so big and the East is so small? Hey, they started out with the colonies in the East, and then the people who were running West, they were like taking the land, their colonies. They were like, oh no, yeah, we want more than that. You know. Here, let's see. My parents work in DC, and they've already sent my parents all the streets that are. Dang, there's a lot of streets being closed. The East was established first with the 13 100%. I live in Oregon and I really like it, but I live in the mountains, not in the city. Hey, yeah, the mountains. Hey, it's a whole vibe. Like when I was in Colorado, out in the mountains. It's a vibe out in the mountains. In the city. Yo, is it raining right now? I feel like I can see the air outside, but I don't think it's. Hold on. Yo, am I like hitting some sort of sixth sense right now? It doesn't look like it's raining, but I feel like I can see the. Nah, it's raining. It's raining. Let me check the weather. It doesn't show that it's raining, but I'm pretty sure it's raining. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yo, I thought I had spidey senses all of a sudden. All right, what's good, family? I got funded last night on Top Step. Hey, congrats, bro. Um, all I gotta say is keep doing what you were doing. Don't get greedy, cause yeah, people, yeah, they get greedy, and usually right after you get funded, you lose it. But that's not gonna happen to you, bro. You're different. You got this, bro. You mean old Mexico? Yeah, something like that. Old Mexico, Mexico, old Mexico. I lived in Oregon and hiked and camped all over PNW. I don't know is that Prairie Northwest West, or did I just make that up? I feel like I may have just made that up. Most were bought aside war. Yes, get a lot of outdoor stuff to do. I live in a whack neighborhood in California. Hey, if it's not burnt down, hey, I would say it's a pretty good neighborhood in California. Most were, yeah, cause it's nice to have a home that's there right now. Pacific Northwest. Okay, I was close. I said, what did I say, Prairie Northwest or something? Okay. All right. I didn't completely just pull that out of my rear end. Takes California, New Mexico, Texas, Arizona. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to keep New Mexico, Texas, and Arizona. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna need to keep all of those actually. You would think it's sunshine, but when the street lights come on, you better be in a car. Oh no. Okay. That does not sound good. Yes, Crater Lake. A Crater Lake is a must. Yo, yeah, eventually my channel is gonna turn into a travel channel. I'm gonna still trade, but there are going to be times when it's like, yo, I don't have Wi-Fi. I might have to get like what's it, Starlink? Yeah, I might have to like tap in and be like, Elon, yo, hook me up with something that works everywhere. But sometimes you need to get off the grid, so it is what it is. Appreciate that, 80. You might want to cherish your whack area as long as it. No, yeah, 100%. Cali used to be old Mexico. That is very true, Tarzan. Hey, Tarzan. Are you good at like swinging on vines and stuff? Oh, hold on, my wife sent me something. Ooh, good stuff. Some good stuff right there. MNND. Oh, yeah, let's check that out. Lucky J looks like he got some. Did I type that in right? Mind medicine. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Let's go down to 4. Okay. Hey, let's see what the volume's looking like. Okay, see some increased volume on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, we're catching some volume. Hey, let's get Derive on this. All right, so hold on, I'm gonna ask I'm gonna ask Ada to analyze it for us. Run analysis. Oh well, not analysis. What is it? Was it MNMD? Yeah. While she's doing that, if you go to Crater Lake, the redwoods are close to those trees. Are definitely a must. Okay. I was planning on going to. Hey, Josue, I've been to Leadville. I've I've done a few things out there actually. I've gone like snowmobiling out there. Um, I feel like I've done some other things out there. I can't exactly think what else I've done out there, but I specifically remember snowmobiling out there. They also had like dog sledding out there, but I was able to hike Sandia Peak in New Mexico with stuff. But I'm in the Bay and I was so close to. Oh, that's wild. Hey, as long as you were this close. Oh, hold on. Oh, so MNND's not on the supported ticker list. Okay, so we got to do our analysis ourselves, unfortunately. All right. How can I transfer funds from my individual account to my Roth IRA account and not my? Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can tell you exactly how to do that because I can talk you through it right now. Let's see. So there is. If you click the thing that looks like a dollars, like a little dollar at the bottom, like next to the little person at the bottom, you click on that, and it'll bring you to a screen, and you can click transfer. There's like a circle, and then pretty much you can put how much you want to transfer, and then you would just click where it says from. You click the arrow to the right, and you would click where you want it to come from. So for me, it would be my individual account. And then below it, you clicked, it says to, and you're going to choose where you want to send it to. So I would click on that and I would change that to Roth IRA. And then it's going to ask whether it's going to be a new IRA contribution or an indirect rollover. More than likely, it's going to be a new contribution. I just got an alert that former presidents Obama, Clinton, and Bush will not attend Trump's inaugural speech, apparently. That's just like it's something I got. We'll see. So that would be how it is. Okay, 80. I know Oakland is not safe, but their tacos are the best in the Bay. I think Childish Gambino has a song about Oakland. On a random note, my bad, I was a couple minutes behind. Respect how you stop everything for your. Yeah. I don't think I would be here streaming right now if it weren't for my wife. I don't think I would be as driven as I am. I don't think I would have the motivation to do all that I do if it weren't for my wife. So yeah, definitely take the time to slow down and see what's up with my wife. So also part of the reason I'm downstairs though, because yesterday I was trying to like let her sleep. Today I was just like, oh yeah, I kind of like being down here yesterday. So yeah, now I just came down here again today. So yeah, I'm hoping Trump pumps crypto so I can take the whole family. Haha. Hey, yeah, sounds like a dream right there. Yeah, give us the Trump pump. Yes, let's get over to, is it Leggett or legit? I mean, it looks like Leggett. And drive through that huge, oh, I know what you're talking about. I just didn't know where it was. I knew it was in California. I got access to Robinhood Legend. There's a lot to see, including templates, views. I made a video about my first impressions. Um, I would, I hope they made some updates. I might need to look at it again, but I like TradingView a little bit more. So you're saying that Oakland tacos are to? I would imagine that is a joke, and if depending on the delivery, hey, that was a good one. So you're saying Oakland tacos are to die for? Ah, it's like funny and not funny at the same time. All right, wife, feminine, beautiful, inspiration. Yes, something like that. Who's KS? Something like that. All right, all right, all right. So let's see what we got. Like here, I'll probably stay till the end of this candle. I'm curious how this candle's gonna close. Oh wait, hold on, wrong. I want to stay till the end of this. I guess this spy candle, this 4 hour candle, just to see where it closes. I spent 20 years exploring the road and oh wait, hold up, pragmatic. uh, and tripping and road tripping all over the USA. When my daughter gets a little older, doing it again. Hey, that's what's up. Yeah, I wonder where I'll be when your daughter's a little older. Like, what she said she's like 8 or something. Kevin Samuels. Kevin Samuels. Who's Kevin Samuels? Hold up. Let's go. You said, "Yeah, darn, you have a good memory." Hey, something like that, man. Something like that. It's all right. That's all they taught us in school. They're like memorize these answers. Oh, hold up. The SoFi. Okay, so we've gotten updates on the little SoFi app question. We got 100. Do I have any more questions I can ask before this is over? I think this polling tool is actually really good. I'm gonna end that poll. But yeah, that's good. Okay. Just got an Apple put. I was sweating. How long were you in that put? Like when did you get in? Was this from the other day or was it today? I remember you saying stuff about it today. Any thoughts on charge point? Do anyone think it'll go back to here, let's see. I mean, that would be cool. I can give you my perspective as I drive a Tesla. I'm going to say I don't enjoy the charge point chargers, but like I like, but also the charge point charger. Wait, I'm thinking about the Tesla chargers now. I'm a little confused because I sometimes see like the Ford Lightnings, uh, EVs at the Tesla chargers. Hmm. I don't know. I like the Tesla chargers because it's like, oh, I don't even have to do anything. I just plug it into the car and it's already taken care of. But charge point, it's like, oh, you gotta like scan the thing and make sure your account's connected and all this stuff. So I don't know. I haven't researched SoFi. What does SoFi offer? Like the actual app? Here, let me see. Let me pull up SoFi real quick. They do offer a lot. I just kind of like establishing banking relationships with institutions that are larger and can lend me money in the future when I may need it. But here, let's see. So SoFi, first off, it's all online. So usually the banks that are on online, like if you think Synchrony, if you think Ally, SoFi, banks that don't have like physical locations, you're typically going to get a higher interest rate, like savings interest rate, because they're able to put their money kind of like the money that they would have for physical locations, they're able to do it more profitably because they don't have that physical location. Um, but physical bank locations are a good thing as well because you have physical locations. But looks like they have, so you can invest, like you can trade stocks on there. You can trade options. I'm going to say it's not going to be the best for trading options, but you can trade options on there. Um, you have, let's see, you got banking, you got credit cards, you got your standard, just kind of investment products. I like their interface. You can see your credit score. You got life insurance, student loans. Um, they got all sorts of different products. They show you, mm, got little rewards. They make it easy to like track your spending and stuff. Like you can connect your accounts and like see your spending for all your accounts. It's like good, like it's actual fintech. Like it's technology for your finances, but it's also like a banking app. All right, let's see. Okay. Today, okay. I can see why you'd be nervous then. Her and I will be living in the US by the time she hits high school. Vietnam education, brainwashing. Oh, brainwashing. Oh, how are they? I would argue there is probably a level of brainwashing that occurs over here too, or probably a high level of brainwashing. Like right now, it's like honestly, I would say the majority of my school, I would say it was good, but there were still teachers that tried to do some brainwashing themselves. I would say, I don't know. It's kind of. Uh, did anyone see something about Tesla coming out with a smart? I've seen that for a couple years. They will call it like the Tesla Pi phone or whatever. Well, that's a whole nother topic. But before he passed, he was one of your. Oh, he passed. Great fellow YouTuber. A great guy. You've already won in building your foundation. You're on the way, so you're good. I think I missed some things. Let's see. Your advice to be patient. A. Yeah, the stock market likes to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Just remember that, and I find it to be helpful. SoFi is my number one holding by share account. I open SoFi accounts to support SoFi, but honestly, I'm very dissatisfied. Hmm, interesting. I'm gonna be real. I don't like my main bank. So my banking order, I have Navy Federal, I have Chase Bank, and then SoFi is like my third. But I've liked my experience with SoFi. But oh, and then I also have what is it called? There's another one. Um, I think this it's fintech too technically. What is it? Where are my banking apps? Revolut. Yeah, I got that one because I went overseas and they got like you can exchange currencies and stuff. Do you know when Robinhood is getting futures? I know you have. I know they have index options, but no, I don't know when. Also, will you trade? I'll probably eventually branch out and trade them. I need more money for that. LOL. Nah, yeah, I feel you. Yes, I signed up so far like 3 years ago, but didn't like it. I didn't like the app, so hey, it is what it is. Things improve over time. Kind of like Robinhood. It's like, oh, like there have been probably about 2 or 3 times in this past year where I was about to make a video saying like, oh, you can't do this on Robinhood, so you probably need to do this elsewhere. And then when I was starting, I'm like, oh shoot, Robinhood has it now, and I'm like, oh well, let me change the video to, hey, look what you can do on Robinhood now. But um, so it's like things change over time. I would say this past year has been like the biggest leap for Robinhood. Like all these like little features they haven't had because they were kind of like, I would say they were kind of stagnant for a while, but they're finally adding features and stuff. Can you see if the trend line is holding on? Yeah, let's see. I would imagine it is, but let's see. Yeah, very much so. So the trend lines I drew are, if you're trying to look on the day, it's very close to, like it's very close to like coming below on the day, but we'll see. I'm also very interested, like once again, want to see how this closes out as well. This right here on this 4 hour candle. If we still have liquidity to the top, actually, I would prefer that it kind of closed down here, but we'll see. We'll see. We got 4 minutes. SoFi. Maybe there's so many glitches for me because that honestly that probably is a good reason for it, probably a big reason, but I mean either way I feel like it should run smooth if it had no problems. Can you check MS? What's your position? I have no position on Snap. Oh yeah, look at QUBT selling off. Yeah, I want to pick up some more later. Probably not today, but let's check out MSTR. All right, so can you check MSTR? What are you wanting to check? Because we already looked at this earlier today, so it's like I don't like. What are you wanting to check about this? If it's like it's running. Beyond that, I can't really say anything. On the day, it's still kind of riding this little 13 EMA. But beyond that, there's not like too much I can say. It's just like, hey, hashtag bullish. It breaks below. There's a gap down to like 366. I want to say Skittles had shouted out like a leverage ETF on MSTR, and I think I like that more than MSTR. But yeah, you got that. But what's your position on Snap? I don't have a position on Snap. The market is just theta burning probably. Hey, honestly, probably that is probably the case. I say either power hour or next week. So yeah, I'll probably just, like when I get off, I'll probably just do what I do for today, and then just what was I gonna say? Probably do what I do for today, and then check in like within the last hour or two before market open or market close. See like, oh, where are stocks at? Watch the SPY on the 5 real quick. All right, so looks like we're starting to try to move below. Let's look at Coinbase on the 5. Well, that's what it looks like on the 5. Thank you. I've been watching you for all this week and learned a lot. Learned to spot patterns, have more patience, study. Hey, look, hey, you're a good student. You can probably go do your own thing now, honestly. Or you can probably. Are there 4 lurkers watching that can boost the fam channel? Oh yeah. I guess this is the time where I make the announcement that to those of you watching, to those of you listening, if you are unaware, there is an icon to, if you're watching, I want you to look at the camera You see there's an icon just below the video that looks like this. It may have a different tint, different color, different hue, may not be as dark, maybe yours is darker. I don't know. They come in all sorts of colors or whatnot. All right, so that is referred to as a like button. You can actually take that. You can hover your mouse icon over it if you're on a computer. Oh shoot, we're at 101. Thank you, family. But as I was saying, you can take your mouse icon, hover that over it, do a little left click, and that will engage with the like button the way that it likes to be engaged in. And you know, smashing that just may change your life. Okay, hold up. Now looking at this, okay, we got the close of the candle, 4-hour chart. Oh, hold on. 4-hour chart. Looks like we're okay. Looks like it could be liquidity. Not 100% certain, but it looks like it could be liquidity. And kind of looking at the 5, it's looking like we're starting to kind of potentially pull back. But this is where I'm going to have to leave it for the day. All right, so we have like just 30 minutes in the Euro close. We have broken the 30-minute or the 15 EMA. So this would be if I didn't, but had I gotten in and rode that trend, this is where I would have gotten out. Yeah, so with that being said, that's going to do it for the week. The market is closed on Monday. Monday is MLK Day. It's Inauguration Day. Next time I speak to you all, we will have a new president. All right, so I want y'all to be safe out there. There are going to be a lot of people who feel a lot of ways, and some of those ways may not be the most positive. So be safe out there, family. Make sure you take care of yourself. Hold up, okay. I see a question I want to address real quick before I get off. Matthew, how are you gauging volume? Have you found to be the most effective way to determine how? Honestly, I really just look at the volume to see like how many people are trading. Like sometimes when it's low volume, that's when I like trust nothing. A lot of times when you see the volume is high, it's like, oh, this is here to go. So usually, like if I'm on the 4-hour or something, like if we look at NVIDIA, okay, let's see. The volume on NVIDIA is kind of like regular from what I'm seeing. It's not like low, it's not high. So it's like, I trust the move, but really it just kind of helps me form a level of trust. But yeah, that being said, everyone have a great weekend. Hopefully the market moves for you if you are somebody that is riding something. But with that being said, peace out Lucky J, peace out Skittles, peace out 80, peace out John, peace out Darren, peace out Love the Outdoors, peace out D Scurv, peace out Mass 3DRC. Hope each and every one of you has a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.